In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sidebar navigation in Wix Studio. Now let's dive in and explore each step so you can enhance your website with a functional and visually appealing sidebar. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com, enter your login credentials, and sign in. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the My Sites page. From here, choose the website you want to edit. After selecting your site, click on the Edit Site button to launch Wix Studio. This platform will be your workspace for customizing and managing your site's design elements. Now, let's add a sidebar container. On the left-hand toolbar in Wix Studio, you'll find several options. What we want to do is click on the Add button, which is represented by a plus sign. From the drop-down menu, select Box Container as we aim to create a section dedicated to our sidebar navigation. After choosing this option, drag the container to either the left or right side of your page. Feel free to play around with the position until it fits your website's layout. Once it's in place, you can adjust the width to suit your design preference, creating the perfect space for your sidebar. With our container ready, it's time to add the navigation menu. Select the sidebar you just positioned, and again click the Add button on the toolbar. This time, navigate to Menu and select Vertical Menu. Once you've done that, drag the vertical menu directly into your sidebar container. This menu will be the critical component that links your visitors to different pages on your site. Ensure each menu item is connected to the appropriate page on your website, providing seamless navigation for your users. After setting up the structure, let's customize your sidebar to align with your website's theme and style. Click on the sidebar container, and you'll see options to modify elements like the background color, borders, and shadows. Take advantage of these features to make your sidebar stand out or blend in based on your site's aesthetics. Next, let's finesse the design of your vertical menu. You have the option to alter fonts and colors, incorporate distinctive hover effects, and tweak menu spacing for a more refined look. Before you finalize everything, don't forget to save your work. Click Save in the toolbar to ensure all your changes are securely stored. To check everything is functioning well, click Preview to see how the sidebar looks and acts in real time. If you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Publish. By doing so, your newly created sidebar navigation will be live and available for all visitors to experience as they browse through your site. And there you have it, a sleek and functional sidebar navigation ready to elevate your Wix site to the next level.